बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप सबको पता है कि यूनाइटेड नेशन से रिलेटेड बहुत ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ पेपर में आते हैं और वो एमसीक्यूज़ बार बार रिपीट भी होते हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ यूनाइटेड नेशन से रिलेटेड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट और मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो को कंप्लीट लाजमी देखिएगा क्योंकि यहीं से क्वेश्चन दोबारा पेपर में आपको नज़र आएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, व्हेन एंड वेयर डिड फ्रैंकलिन डी रूज़वेल्ट, विंस्टन चर्चिल एंड जोसेफ स्टैलिन मेट एंड एग्रीड टू फॉर्म यूनाइटेड नेशंस? In October 1943 in Iran. Which USA president coined the name of United Nations? Franklin D. Roosevelt. When did Franklin D. Roosevelt suggest the name of UNO? On 25th of June 1945. On which date the UN Charter was signed? On 26th of June 1945. How many countries signed the UN Charter in 1945? 50 countries. Which of the following country first signed the UN Charter? China. When did Poland sign the UN Charter? On 16th of October 1945. After Poland signed the Charter, there were 51 founding member countries in 1945. In which city of California the UN Charter was signed? In San Francisco. When did the UN officially came into existence? On 24th of October 1945. How many principal organs of UNO are there? 6 principal organs: United Nations General Assembly, United Nations Security Council, Social and Economic Council, Secretariat, Trusteeship Council and International Court of Justice। तो ये 6 ऑर्गन्स हैं। इनमें से जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है वो सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल है। Currently, how many member states of United Nations are there? Total 193. How many non-member observer states in the United Nations organization? 2 observer states, State of Palestine and Holy See or Vatican City. Vatican City का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Holy See. What is the motto of UNO? It's your world. How many official languages of UNO are there? 6 official languages. Name the working languages of United Nations organization within the Secretariat: English and French. Name the American architect who designed the UN flag emblem: Donald McLaughlin. On which date the UNO flag was adopted? 20th of October 1947. The twin olive branches in the United Nations flag symbolize peace. Name the first Secretary General of United Nations among the following: Trygve Lie. Trygve Lie belongs to which country? Norway. Who is the current and 9th Secretary General of United Nations Organization? Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres belongs to which country? Portugal. Which day is celebrated as United Nations Day? 24th of October. Which of the following country is the last member to join United Nations? South Sudan. South Sudan is the last country to join the organization in 2011. Which of the following country is the second last member to join UN? Montenegro on 28th of June 2006. Name the 191st member state of United Nations. East Timor on 27th of September 2002. When did Pakistan join UNO? On 30th of September 1947. How many times the session of United Nations General Assembly is held in a year? Once in a year. The United Nations General Assembly regular sessions held annually every year in the month of September. UN Security Council comprises of how many members? 15. How many permanent members of United Nations Security Council? 5. China, France, USA, Russia and UK. They have the veto power. On which date China became permanent member of United Nations Security Council? On 25th of October 1971. When did Russia become permanent member? In 1991. When did France, UK and USA become permanent member of UNSC? In 1945. How many non-permanent members of United Nations Security Council? There are 10 non-permanent members. For how many years the non-permanent members elected by the General Assembly? 2 years. In United Nations Security Council, the ratio of permanent members to the non-permanent members is 5:10, 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent members. The presidency of the United Nations Security Council is held by each of the members for dash in following the English alphabetical order of the member states' names for a duration of 1 month. Name the first Asian who became the Secretary General of UN, U Thant, from 1961 to 1971. U Thant belonged to which of the following country? Myanmar. Name the 8th Secretary General of UNO, Ban Ki-moon, from 2007 to 2016. Ban Ki-moon was also the second Asian and he belonged to South Korea. Name the 7th Secretary General of UNO, Kofi Annan, 1997 to 2006. Name the second Secretary General of UNO, Dag Hammarskjöld, from 1953 to 1961, and he belonged to Sweden. Name the first country to leave the United Nations membership, Indonesia. On what date Indonesia left the UN membership? On 20th of January 1965. Which of the following country is not the member of UN or its sub-organizations? It's Taiwan. Taiwan is not considered a state because of the unitary China. The headquarters of UNO is located at New York. On what date South Sudan joined United Nations? On 14th of July 2011. Which Secretary General of UN was the first to emerge from the ranks of United Nations staff? Kofi Annan. Which Secretary General of UNO who died in airplane crash? Dag Hammarskjöld. How many times Pakistan became member of United Nations Security Council? तो पाकिस्तान जो है वो अब 8 दफ़ा बन चुका है। करंट जो पाकिस्तान का सेशन चल रहा है वो 2025 से 2026 तक का चल रहा है, from 1st of January 2025 to 2026. Which is the second country that became member of United Nations Security Council for 7 times? Colombia. Which country joined United Nations organization with Pakistan on 30th of September 1947? Yemen. Which of the following was the first Pakistani selected as president in United Nations General Assembly? Sir Muhammad Zafarullah Khan. Who is first representative of Pakistan in United Nations General Assembly? Patras Buhari. Who is the current representative of Pakistan in United Nations General Assembly? तो करंट जो हैं वो आसिम इफ्तिखार है, आसिम इफ्तिखार अहमद. Name the first lady representative of Pakistan in UN, Maliha Lodhi. What is the representative head of the UN called? Secretary General. Who was elected as the first president of General Assembly? Paul Henry Spaak from Belgium. Who is the current president of United Nations General Assembly? Current president का नाम है एन्ना लीना बैरबॉक. 2025 में ये प्रेसिडेंट हैं. What is the number of current United Nations General Assembly session of UNO? तो ये 80th session चल रहा है अभी. Who was the president of United Nations General Assembly in its 77th session? Sisaba Kurosi. Which of the following is the principal judicial organ of United Nations Organization? ICJ. When did International Court of Justice established by the Charter of UN? On 26th of June 1945. In which year the ICJ began work? In April 1946. Headquarters of World Court or ICJ is located in The Hague, Netherlands. The International Court of Justice is comprised of how many member judges? 15. The elected terms of office for ICJ judges is 9 years. Who elect the judges for the World Court, United Nations General Assembly and United Nations Security Council? Which of the following UN organ who is not located in New York, USA? ICJ. Who is the current president of International Court of Justice? तो current president जो है 2025 में आईवासवा यूजी. Who is the current Vice President of International Court of Justice in 2025? Julia Subutined. What is the term duration of the ICJ President and Vice President? 3 years. Identify the first President of ICJ, Jose Gustavo Guerrero. In which year Pakistan joined International Court of Justice? In September 1960. That's all about today's video. आज की इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके साथ यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट और मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज शेयर किए हैं जो इससे पहले भी पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी के पास पेपर्स में आते रहे हैं। अगर आप वन पेपर की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं जिसमें जीके का पेपर है तो मेरे इस चैनल पर ऑलरेडी कुछ लेक्चर्स अपलोडेड हैं और आने वाले दिनों में भी यहाँ पर आपको जीके से रिलेटेड लेक्चर्स मिलते रहेंगे जिसमें हम इंशाल्लाह 1 बाय 1 करके उन तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स को कवर करेंगे जो जीके के पेपर में आते हैं, जिनमें पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़, इस्लामिक स्टडीज़, जियोग्राफ़ी, जनरल नॉलेज, मैथ्स, एवरीडे साइंस, उर्दू और कंप्यूटर का पोर्शन आता है। तो इन सब को हम 1 बाय 1 कवर करेंगे। अगर आप वो लेक्चर्स लेना चाहते हैं तो मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ में मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको आने वाले लेक्चर्स की नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।